Do-it-yourself natural beauty products. Easy recipes for radiant skin and hair. In a world filled with commercial beauty products laden with chemicals and synthetic ingredients, the trend towards natural beauty products has gained significant momentum. Many individuals are turning to do-it-yourself natural beauty recipes to take control of what they put on their skin and hair. Creating your own beauty products not only allows you to tailor formulations to your specific needs, but also promotes a healthier and more sustainable beauty routine. In this video, we will explore a variety of easy and effective do-it-yourself recipes for natural beauty products that can enhance your skincare and hair care routine. 1. Nourishing Coconut Oil Hair Mask. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of argan oil, optional. Method: mix the ingredients in a bowl. Apply the mixture to damp hair, focusing on the ends, so leave it on for 30 minutes and then rinse thoroughly. This hair mask helps to moisturize and repair damaged hair, leaving it soft and shiny. 2. Refreshing Cucumber and Mint Face Toner. Ingredients: 1 cucumber peeled and sliced, handful of fresh mint leaves, 1 cup of distilled water. Method: blend cucumber and mint with distilled water. Strain the mixture and pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Refrigerate and use as a refreshing face toner. This natural toner is packed with antioxidants and soothes the skin, reducing inflammation and redness. 3. Gentle Oatmeal and Honey Facial Scrub. Ingredients: and 2 tablespoons of finely ground oats, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Method: mix the ingredients into a paste. Gently massage onto damp skin in circular motions. Rinse with warm water. This exfoliating scrub helps remove dead skin cells, leaving your face smooth and radiant. 4. Healing Aloe Vera Gel for Sunburn Relief. Ingredients: fresh aloe vera gel, harvested from an aloe vera leaf. Method: cut open an aloe vera leaf and extract the gel. Apply the gel directly to sunburned areas. Aloe vera has soothing properties that provide relief from sunburn and promote healing. 5. Moisturizing Avocado and Honey Face Mask. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, 2 tablespoons of honey. Method: mash the avocado and mix it with honey. Apply the mask to a clean face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. This hydrating mask nourishes the skin with essential nutrients, leaving it supple and moisturized. In conclusion, creating your own natural beauty products is not only a fun and creative endeavor, but also a way to prioritize the health of your skin and hair. These do-it-yourself recipes offer a simple and effective way to incorporate natural ingredients into your beauty routine, promoting a more sustainable and holistic approach to skincare and hair care. Experiment with these recipes, tailor them to your preferences, and enjoy the benefits of a personalized natural beauty regimen. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and leaving a comment with your thoughts.